The history of 20K Kelso of MR, Johnnie Jumper. The 20 grand family, or popularly known as 20K Kelso, was created by Mr. Johnnie Jumper and Mr. Robbie White from California many years ago. They were originally a three-way cross of White-Legged Kelso, Yellow-Legged Kelso, and Hatch. They come predominantly white-legged with occasional yellow legs and black rings on the scales of the legs. They are lemon in color on the neck with saddle feathers and are medium to high station fowl. According to Johnnie Jumper, Billy J. bet 20 grand on the Rooster, which is how it got its name.